Hi, I am Aina. I'm an intern with International Institute of Digital Marketing as a brand marketing analyst. And today I'm talking about how to market your business on Instagram and 5 marketing strategies that actually make the difference. Instagram boasts over 1.2 billion monthly users. The platform itself is changing dramatically, offering smart digital marketers new ways to position their products and services. So, here are 5 ways your organization can step up your content marketing strategy on Instagram. Firstly, ramp up your content production. Posting a picture randomly on Instagram page isn't going to make the cut. The flow of content should be steady, non-repetitive, and attention-grabbing. Which also takes us to the importance of cross-promoting your content. Promoting your content only on Instagram is not enough. Use of other platforms like Twitter and Facebook will help you bring more potential customers and clients and help you maximize your reach. Customer-generated content is really crucial as it brings human emotion and story to the product, creating a greater relation with their audience. Branded hashtags have the same effect as slogans in marketing on traditional media. This will also encourage sharing and customers organically promoting the business. And lastly, tagging and shoutouts really help associate a product with a particular location and demographic. It will also help you to gain potential shoutouts from people who are tagged in this post. And there are plenty of ways to promote your business on Instagram like this. And hey, that's a good thing because our main focus while advertising on Instagram is to stand apart from the crowd and to be unique. Following these steps will definitely put you on the right track to marketing on Instagram. So make sure that you evolve with the platform and identify the best tactics for you and when it comes to marketing on Instagram. So all the best.